What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play with 4 friends in Madden NFL 26. If you wanna play with 4 people, here's how you can set it up. If you have 3 friends joining you, the easiest way to do this is through Superstar KO. Once you open Superstar KO, wait for the menu to load. On the left side, where it shows your opponent, switch to option 2 PAF, which stands for Play a Friend. For the mode, choose Superstar KO or select NFL KO if you want to pick official NFL teams. Next, change the team size to 2v2. Now you will need to add the friend who will be on your side. At the bottom, where it shows your squad mates, press the plus button and send them an invite. After that, you can press on your own name to change your role. You can leave it on any role or select something specific like offense captain or defense captain. Your friend can choose their role as well. Once everyone is ready, you can move forward. I'll switch to a 1v1 setup just to show you the next step, but it works the same for 2v2. When you hit play, you'll need to create a matchmaking password. This is important. Your 2 opponents must enter the exact same mode, same settings and the same password. The password is case sensitive, so make sure everyone types it exactly the same way. After you all enter the matching password and press play, the game will search for the lobby, connect both teams and you'll be ready to start your 2v2 match. That's all there is to it. Hope this helped. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.